Their host, Dr. Mines. He's host. I'm just gonna fast forward it to make it short video. They started it. Freight. Symptom. Fast forward it. There it is. Here's the scoreboard. Right, we're up 3-2. We're up 4-1. That's when they drop. 4-2. They drop host. This is the round they drop host. We're up 4-2. Dr. Mines kills Symptom. This is the round they drop. There's a scoreboard. Killed. This is where they drop host. They drop host right there. Lost connection to host. Alright guys, we won.